These are recordings of the principal abnormal heart sounds in the most common forms of cardiac disease. Each recording is preceded by a brief description. The normal heart, recorded at the apex. The first and second sounds are clearly audible. Four congenital cardiac defects. Interventricular septal defect recorded in the fourth intercostal space on the left side of the sternum. The heart sounds are drowned in a rough systolic murmur. Interatrial septal defect, recorded in the second intercostal space on the left side of the sternum. A soft systolic murmur and reduplication of the second sound are heard. Pulmonary stenosis, recorded in the second intercostal space on the left side of the sternum. A rough systolic murmur drowning the heart sounds is heard again. This murmur is also heard over the clavicle and over the back, so-called ejection murmur. Patent ductus arteriosus, recorded in the second intercostal space on the left side of the sternum. The so-called continuous murmur extending over both the systole and the diastole is a characteristic feature. Four acquired defects of the cardiac valves. Mitral stenosis, recorded at the apex of the heart. The loud accentuated first sound is preceded by a diastolic crescendo murmur. The second sound is divided. Mitral insufficiency, recorded at the apex of the heart. The systolic murmur is followed by the second heart sound. Owing to the mitral insufficiency, the first sound is replaced by a murmur.